I want to demonstrate to you the proper insertion of a collet into a collet nut. This is an ER11 collet, and inside the collet is a little off-center hole, and that little off-center hole is called the extractor ring. The extractor ring is designed to catch this part of the collet to pull it out of the collet bore. So to insert this into your router, the first thing you need to do is insert your collet into the collet nut, so without the end mill in place, so that the collet can spring together and catch it in that little extractor ring. So just push it in there. You can feel it, a little bit of a snap. It should hold in place. If you have a larger one, it probably won't, but these ER11s are pretty small, and it should be nearly flush with the end of the collet nut. Okay, at this point, now if you wish to insert a end mill, now it's okay to do so. If you tried to push this in with the end mill in place, those sections couldn't spring together, and then what would happen would be it would just press down on the outside or on the wrong part of that extractor ring and ruin it. And then your collet is going to get stuck in the collet bore because it's just pushing from the top down instead. So the bottom line is, snap the collet into place without the end mill in place.